Ready, set, go. YouTube channel and I love the face. Dylan, you just did a masterpiece over here with the chicken.
Yeah.
Yep. We got the chicken cut up. Raw looking. It's okay. The oven's been heating. Shane, what are you about to do up? Dude, you're so tall.
The sauce.
And you're going to put garlic in it?
Yeah.
What kind?
Garlic.
Fresh. Not just any kind of garlic. Fresh garlic. And we're going to be doing up some Alfredo and pasta. What type of pasta have you decided?
No idea.
Blue is in the kitchen looking for scraps.
Still angel hair or thin? Angel hair. I think thin.
Thin. Thank you. Thin. Because if you do angel hair, it's gonna be like having mashed potatoes, I think, with the. Yeah. Good call, Shane.
Sorry, Don. I asked you, and then I just I pulled a Nicole.
We were hoping you were gonna make the right decision.
Well, honestly, I would have.
Dylan, open the cupboards for me.
No, honestly, if I was doing the chicken Alfredo, I would have went with these.
Oh, the fettuccine. We might have more of
I'm
that.
not doing the fettuccine. Shane doesn't like fettuccine. It doesn't
Just
cook
trying to
properly.
show, like, this thing
That's
goes
because you have to know how to
way in there. I know, I keep stepping on your toes. There's so much stuff. And it's way back there, and I can't even see it all. Alright. Not advertising. Blue's heading out. Alright, guys. Say see you later for now.
See ya. Bye.
See ya later. Alligator.